Hey you guys, today I have a small gift basket, and this is the popcorn bucket that I picked up at Target Dollar Spot. So it was just $1. And I'm gonna make a popcorn gift from to my husband from my 7-year-old. He wanted to give his dad something, and I thought this would be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and add a piece of tissue. I'm gonna add popcorn. Of course, I picked it up at Target while I was there. So I'm going to go ahead and add one bag of popcorn in the back, and I'm just going to bend it just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add another bag of popcorn. So you can add whatever popcorn of your choice to this. It's going to look great, and trust me, they're going to love it. So just go ahead and fold your popcorn in and add as many bags as you want. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 bags of the popcorn. I'm also going to add this 5 snack pieces of Hershey's. I picked this up at the dollar store. I thought that would be perfect to go in there with the popcorn. Who wouldn't want some candy? And I thought it was perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and add these Milano cookies that I picked up from Target. They were just $1, so they are perfect for this container and they fit perfectly. So I'm gonna add that in there as well. And I don't like how the top of the cookies is showing. So I'm going to grab a piece of tape and I'm going to go ahead and tape the top of the cookies down. I don't want nothing to stand out. If something's going to stand out, it's going to be the popcorn. Just so it could show it and give it that little. So look at, I added the tape just to bend it in. And all I'm doing is adjusting everything how I like it, like always moving it around. I'm also adding this pistachio that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and this goes perfectly in there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and bend the top of the pistachio as well and tape it down because I want everything to look nice and fitted. I want it to fit in there, and look at how cute that looks. And there you go. You have a simple popcorn gift basket that anybody would love. A father, the godfather, an uncle, anybody who's a dad would love to have this. Now, I was going to go ahead and add this money holder. Since you cannot add a gift card to the movies, I figured I would add some money in there. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of money in there. And look at how well it just goes into the money holder. And I have a video on this money holder if you want to go ahead and make it. I'm sure it'll come out adorable as well. I love the way it looks. Look at how cute that is. And I'm going to add that in there. So there you go. Look at how adorable that is. And that was super fast and easy. And they also have the bucket in different colors. So go ahead and check out my Instagram so you can see what colors they have the bucket in case you want to make it in different colors. I'm going to use my favorite ribbon, of course, on the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to go ahead and also add it into a bag. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. And if you are going to make it, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how it came out. And I'll link the link down below. So we're going to go ahead and put it into this cellophane bag. It's pretty big, but we're going to make it work right now because that's all we have. And you can't go out right now. So the thing with this one is I'm going to bend the edges. I'm going to bend the edges as much as I can, and I'm going to bring it back and I'm going to tape it to the back. So you won't be able to see it from the front, which is fine because when they open it anyways, they're going to throw away the bag and they're going to keep all the goodies. So just make it as nice as you can. If you have a different type of bag or cellophane, go ahead and use it. That should work out perfect as well. But I'm going to go ahead and bend it and tape it to the back and make it as fit as I can. Just as much as I can, so it looks really nice and presentable on the front. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So don't get scared when you have a smaller container. Go ahead and bend it like you're wrapping a gift, like you're wrapping any kind of gift. Bring it to the back and tape it together. That's all you have to do. Make sure you have enough tape. Make sure you tape it right and the tape holds. And that's it. It shouldn't be any harder than that. Go ahead and add the tape. Make sure your tape is clear, just so it looks really nice. And look at how cute that looks already. Isn't that adorable? Now I'm going to move it up so you can see how I'm going to finish it off. Because this is a pretty big bag. I'm going to take it right there and I'm going to crunch it. I'm going to grab my ribbon and I'm going to tie it as tight as I can. And then I'm going to make a bow. That's just going to make it look really nice and presentable. And there you go. Go ahead and make your bow. And if the ribbon hangs, even better. I love when the ribbon hangs from the baskets. I think it is so pretty. And there you go. Look how easy that was. I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors and cut a third off the top. That is one of my favorite tips I can give you. Why? Because it weighs down the basket. When you cut this off, trust me, your basket is going to stay nice and pretty until you give it to that person. It's not going to weigh down. It's not going to fall. It's not going to look weird. Just go ahead and cut the top. Make it look as pretty as you can. Fluff it up with your hands. And you have a beautiful gift basket ready to be given to your father, to anybody on Father's Day that you wish to give it to. Trust me, when they open it, they're going to enjoy it and they're going to think it is the cutest thing. And plus, they have the tub ready for their popcorn. And look at how beautiful it is. So there you go. It's nice and sturdy. It's not going to fall. It actually, everything fit really good since it's really long. The items that I grabbed were long enough to go through the bucket. And it looks pretty good. I hope you guys make one. And if you do, tag me on Instagram. I'm going to link the link down below. I would love to see what you made, what you came up with. And yeah, look at how cute it is. And until next time, bye you guys.